going to feel really smooth, and it's going to look really hydrated, and it's going to be really shiny. Hi, I'm Giselle, welcome back, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to do at-home care for your hands. So a lot of my customers have been asking me what to do because of sanitizers and washing their hands constantly has dried their hands significantly. So what I've been using at home and really worked for me, and I highly recommend, is some gloves that I bought. They're collagen gloves, and they're very, very hydrating. We are always talking about collagen and collagen and collagen. Collagen is part of our skin below, tissue. So we have our top layer, and then underneath, collagen is part of the fibers in the tissue underneath, that it's called connective tissue. Now, I'm not going to get all technical, but you always have to replace it. So when we are washing our hands all the time, when we're using the hand sanitizer, when we're using bleach and we're not using cream all the time, then what it does, it dehydrates our skin, and then it looks dull, and then it looks like it doesn't look plumpy, it doesn't look shiny, and sometimes then hand creams really don't work, and we go for thicker creams. So this collagen have been really making a difference to my hands, and I've been using it here at the salon when my customers come and get treatments, and they're really, really liking it. So I'm going to show you how I use it, and I incorporated it with other products that I have at home that really worked for me. But obviously the secret of it is these collagen gloves. What I do first at home is that I mix it with Satin hands from Mary Kay, and then after I remove my dead cells and I wash my hands, then I put in the gloves, 20 minutes, then I remove the gloves, and then yes, I use this cream. Why? Because it's my daughter's cream and it works very well for her eczema. So I decided to use it with my hands, and I love it. So I'll show you right now how to do it. So I went ahead and I scrubbed my hands, and then when I was done scrubbing, I went ahead and I washed them, I rinsed them, I dried them, and I went ahead and I put my gloves on. Now, you're supposed to be able to wrap them around so that way they're tight. So I would recommend, if you do it yourself at home, I don't tend to tie them, but if you want, I suggest that you remove the yellow sticker that's there so that way you're able to tie it. I don't tie it, I leave it like this, but if you want to, then do it prior to, so that way you can just wrap it and then you don't have to struggle. And then you wait your 20 minutes. Like I said, you massage throughout the 20 minutes, but you wait 20 minutes, you remove the gloves, you dispose of them, and then when you're done massaging the rest of the collagen, you go ahead and you put your cream. Okay, so now I removed the gloves and I have leftover collagen. So now what I'm doing is I'm massaging the excess so that way my skin absorbs it. Then I'll go ahead and I'll put in the cream. Okay, so as you can see, your skin is going to feel really smooth, and it's going to look really hydrated, and it's going to be really shiny. So I say that this is a treatment that is just as important as getting your mask at home, your facial, because we abuse our hands. You know, we do everything with our hands. So once a month, at least, if you can do this treatment at night, it would be very beneficial, especially at night, because you go to bed, you don't rinse your hands anymore, and when you're sleeping, product absorbs better at night. You're more relaxed, and your pores are willing to take in everything that it needs, and your skin regenerates a lot more at night than during the day. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free and like and subscribe. And remember that healthy hair is shiny hair, also skin. Ciao.